Guys, welcome back. So ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng chart. Okay? So i-close natin to. Then don't save. Yan. Open tayo ulit. Then click natin itong Madison. Okay? And then let's go with the other slide. Mas gusto ko usually sa pangalawa kasi itong pinakauna usually title lang yan. Okay, to add a chart, all you have to do is to go to insert and then chart. Okay, and then after may mga chart dito na gusto nyo, like for example itong pie, pwede naman. Then lalabas yung Excel nyo. So ayan, close natin. And so like for example yung kanina yung ginawa natin. Okay, insert tayo. Tapos chart. Then for example ito, column. Ayan. Tapos, kung napansin nyo, pwede nyo i-change. I-close na lang natin para malaman nyo, okay? So, okay, what if gusto nyo i-change ang value dito? Okay, madali lang. All you have to do is to right-click. Click nyo yung, click nyo tong icon or mga picture. Itong chart mismo. Then, edit, data, and Excel. Okay? Tapos, lalabas yung Excel. Then, for example, lagyan natin dito na 1.1. Then, dito is 2.2. Ayan. Then, dito is 3.3. Then, change natin. This is, for example, January, Sunday, service. Okay, attendance. So, let's say for example, ganyan. Okay, palakihin ko lang to. Tapos, ito naman, for example, mid-year attendance. Okay? Then, for example, ito naman is, for example, December, Sunday, service, ayan, attendance. Tapos, i-delete natin tong, wag na lang, okay? Close natin to, save. Okay, ayan. So, nag-change siya. Compare sa last. Ayan, so, to Sunday, January, Sunday service, mid-year, tsaka December, Sunday service. Ayan. So, ayan. So, lagyan natin dyan chart. Ayan. So, pag-aralan nyo lang, paglaruan nyo lang to kung para ma-practice kayo. At least may idea kayo kung what if gusto nyong gumawa ng chart. Okay? So, thank you for watching. See you sa next na video.